Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block a user on the Mercari app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and block a user. Maybe you had a slight misunderstanding, or maybe you just no longer want to receive messages from them. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to block a user on the Mercari app, let's first go ahead and access their profile. So for example, we'll click on messages. Then let's actually go ahead and pretend that we want to block this user here. So you could actually click on the three dots on the upper right hand corner and then click on block user. Also, if you click onto their profile and then click on the three dots in the upper right hand corner again, same thing, you could actually go ahead and block them by clicking on block user. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and block a user on the Mercari app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you guys all in the next video.